When I was young, my father used to say, no TV and no talking while eating. I understand the importance of this thing when I see out of 10, 6 kids needs TV or cell phone for eating. If your child is one of those 6 kids, then this video is definitely for you. Now just imagine when we see food, what happens is first thing we smell the food, then we salivate. The watering in the mouth helps for the digestion. Leave about the medical part. Think about the emotional part. All of us have lot of memories attached with our childhood food, isn't it? Like we used to have ice candies, the sugar candies, the lollipops, imlis, mangoes, so many things. Do you remember the old Dhara ad when the child used to say jalebi? Is your child having such kind of any kind of memory about food, about the homemade food? I don't think so. Let's move further. Concentrating on the TV or concentrating on the screen means the child's brain is working towards one direction, that is towards screen, and he is just not understanding what he is eating or whatever is presented in front of him. So the child will not understand what type of food he is eating, the texture of the food, the temperature of the food, the color of the food, and he will not have the development of his taste buds. The oromotor and the orosensory development of the child will go for a toss. The child is not chewing the food properly. He is just gulping the food properly in order to eat it fast or in order to finish it fast, and that will lead to serious problems such as indigestion, poor intestinal movements. He may have bloating problems, and the major thing is the constipation. Now, these kids are sitting in front of TV for 1 hour, 2 hours, or maybe more than that, and that thing will make them a couch potato. Now, this sedentary lifestyle, which is also another rising problem for adults as well, that problem is there in our kids itself, and that is leading to the serious problem called as childhood obesity. Apart from this, when we present the cell phone to the child while eating, the child learns that when he or she is getting phone, he has to eat. When we are taking the child out, what he learns is, I'm going to get phone now and then only I am supposed to eat. And that causes the vicious circle called as classical conditioning of your brain. So we present the screen to the child, then child eats. We present the phone to the child, then child eats. No phone, no eating. That's why they demand for the screen, and we say our child is getting stubborn. But the child is not getting stubborn. We made them stubborn, isn't it? And where we live in India, where we consider the food is God, right? Anna is Purna Brahma. So I want all of you to have some respect towards our food and let the child explore the food, let the child enjoy the food. And that's what I want to say today. Thank you so much. If you want your child to leave screen while having food, I think you need to stay tuned for our next update. Thank you so much.